the aircon because like Singapore very hot.
Hi everyone, it's Eliza from Home and Decor and welcome to another episode of Insights Outside, where we ask people on the streets their thoughts on everything home related. Today we'd like to find out what is the one home appliance that people can't seem to live without. What is your most relied on appliance?
The oven. Without that, you cannot have a house party. You can dump everything inside and then you go take a shower and wait for your guests to come.
We generally use our KitchenAid a fair bit. We use it to make pasta and doughs and cake and lots of different things like that.
The robot vacuum
Robotic
cleaner.
cleaner.
Yeah. So it's easy to use, easy to operate.
My coffee machine. I like it largely because now I can do coffee at home. It makes me feel very cool that I own an espresso at home.
My microwave. Every time at night or like in the morning when you're rushing, you could actually just heat up your food instantly.
A vacuum cleaner because I don't like dirt and dust. I also use a dust buster quite often, and dust buster is handheld so it can pick up dirt wherever.
What is one thing on your wish list then? Like a home appliance you really want?
Maybe a Thermomix. Has like 12 or 13 different functions and it can make ice cream and chop things and cook things.
Will you be getting it soon?
I don't know, ask my husband.
I think I would like a dryer maybe. Yeah, not the two-in-one kind, but yeah, just a standalone dryer. Because I've got no space to hang dry clothes at home. Yeah, so I think that would be useful. Yeah.
Another oven that's with a steamer.
If I had an air fryer that would just do individual portions rather than like these big huge ones, yeah, I might buy that.
Oven, because I also like to cook and bake lah.
The coffee maker. Because I'm a student, then like a lot of long nights sometimes.
Very good vacuum cleaner. So I'm very messy and my hair drops a lot, so it needs to be fast.
A dehumidifier, yeah. Because my clothes are catching a lot of mold. I don't live here. I have a small apartment here and I come back only once a month. So it tends to collect a lot of mold around the house.
So we all have that one home appliance that makes our life so much easier. But do you know how to extend the lifespan of your appliances? Here are some tips to help you. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Insights Outside. If you have any interesting topics you'd like us to cover, leave in the comments below. And don't forget to like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time!